Relax a little bit before the class. My coworker friend, she just asked if I can do her hair. She's probably debating on brown. She went copper for a few months, so I'm really excited that she's gonna do another big change. We'll see what happens when we get there. She's really fun. I love her. Okay, so I'm at work. Just pacing myself. There's a little glimpse of where I'm at. If you're not familiar with Balayage, I'm excited to show you my life here. Just got a haircut. Running late for work, so I have to get on it. I don't know what to wear. Okay, I said I know I wanted to look decent, but I literally cannot find anything, and I have a closet full of clothes. At least my makeup is done, and that's all that matters. There's like 10 buttons on these jeans right now. Don't vibe with this shirt as much, just because the hands are like where my boobs are. We're gonna wear them. I'm gonna wear an apron, so you can't really see anything, but yeah, I'm gonna try to film this one. I know I said yesterday I was gonna film, but it just got a little crazy. I had a client that questioned my ability as a hairstylist, and basically I had to prove to her wrong. Long story short, she ended up loving her hair. Basically, she just really, it was just so chaotic. After a total meltdown, I pulled it together. I do this all the time. My clients love the outcome. Got her out within 2.5 hours. Totally icy blonde with no breakage whatsoever. It was beautiful. And everyone at work hyped me up, and I really, really couldn't have done it without my coworkers. Oh my god, I'm in the car wash, guys. This is exciting. Okay, so I just I just got back from picking up color inventory, some oil for my car. It is so hot outside. I literally like sweated everything off. My clothes are drenched in sweat. I think it's gonna be like 100 degrees tomorrow. I'm about to go work out. Oh, and the gym is finally open downstairs, so hopefully I can wake up early enough to go use the gym. Or maybe not, maybe later. Whatever I can do. But I'm really excited to use the gym because the gym's been closed. Also, all our equipment was so outdated, so I really hope they went and replaced the equipment. I might go check it out tonight. It's like, what if, you know, if we got new equipment? Who knows? But yeah, I would love to work out. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Jeez. So I just added low lights in my hair. I felt like it was getting a little too solid with the highlights, so low lights is gonna help break it up and make it look more dimensional. And so it's just been getting crazy, and I'm doing something more subtle for my wedding, so voila. Here we go. Looks a little crazy, but I swear the outcome's gonna look pretty. It should be done processing maybe in like a couple minutes. Okay guys, that is all for this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and please leave a comment below. Thank you. Bye.